crate of mangoes from the market. I'm going to eat a lot of them just as they are, but I think I'll do a few mango recipes as well. So they're in season here, so they're pretty abundant. So this whole crate here was $20, which makes each one of these like 30 cents, which isn't much at all. He's very talkative today. So the best way, and the first way to eat mangoes, my favourite way, and bears too, is just peel it and eat it. So I'll just peel one for Bear, who loves. Oh! We'll get that one in a minute, shall we? Yeah? You're going to eat it? Oh, yum. It's pretty messy, so maybe you could do it outside in the garden, or over a bowl and catch the juice and use the juice for something else. But it definitely gives it that kind of fresh, wild feeling, and tastes like meaty and juicy. So yeah, we're going to let you know in the next day or so how we use up all our mangoes. And the dog wants that bit. Oh! So see you later, alligator. Wave. Hi. I just thought I'd continue with what I started earlier. We showed you the mangoes we bought, and so I thought I'd show you our lunch. Now, Little Bear wants to be in the video, I think. So let me just get something from the fridge and then you can sit up here with us. Hold on, sweetie. So I've got some mangoes chopped up. That beautiful orange colour. I think I've done about 6 or 8. And now I'm just going to put a few frozen bananas in as well. So I've got. It's not that I don't love the taste of mangoes, but a couple of frozen bananas add a really nice creamy texture to a smoothie as far as I'm concerned. La, la, la. And I'm going to put a little bit of water. About that much. So about a quarter of the size of your smoothie blender. Put the lid on. You're going to come up and help me, Bear? You're going to come and help, Mummy? Ready? You're going to press the button. Sit down then. You sit down? Okay. Oh, we've got to plug it in as well, haven't we? That would help. Right, no touch that one. And with the rest of it, so we don't drink, we're going to make it into lollies. Ooh, yum. Got that kind of sorbet texture, I guess. Oh, who wants it? Okay. Have some later? You want some now? Oh, okay. Well, Ben's not going to have any now. Maybe he just wants to hold it. Oh, he wants to hold his own cup. It's alright, sweetheart. Yeah, there's some in here. It's very important to Little Bear that he has his independence as far as cups are concerned. There you go. I'm going to show everyone. Say, look, I've got my own cup. Oh, putting it back in there. It's so sweet and creamy and delicious. It will make a perfect ice cream, but I'm not sure how long it will last. I'll probably just drink it all now. Don't you get in? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Say bye to the camera. Say bye to the camera. Woo! See ya.